What's up guys, it's your boy Sharif2K back again with another video. In this video we got the pink diamond Isiah Thomas, so let's go, let's get right into that. We're about to open it. We got diamond Isiah Thomas. Whoa. Oh my gosh, my second pink diamond. Oh, it's so high. Let's go.
Nigga, we made it.
Isiah Thomas. Boy. Oh my god. We need to put him in the lineup already. We need to adjust this. Oh my god. Pete Diamond, Isiah Thomas. Are you freaking kidding me? Isiah. Oh god. Oh god. We needed this. Thank God. Thank the heavens. We need a good point guard. We got him. Isiah Thomas. Let's go. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and yeah, stay tuned. We got 2 pink diamonds on the squad now, so let's go. Thank you guys for watching if you watched this far. So I'll see you guys later. It's your boy Sharif2K signing out. Peace.